Hi everyone, welcome to another Windows Wednesday tutorial. I'm Bob from Bob's Computer Service, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the text size on your screen. This is a super helpful tip if you are having trouble reading small text or just want a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's get started. First we're going to go to the settings, and to do that we go to Start, and it'll either be in the list here under settings, or we're going to type it in, settings, and there it is. We'll click on it, and in the settings menu we're going to go down to the accessibility menu on the left hand side of the screen, and in the accessibility menu we are going to go to text size, and you can bring the text up as far as 225 or leave it at 100. And once you hit apply, you'll see everything is bigger. I don't want that, so I'm going to keep it at 100%. And here are some extra bonus tips if that is just not enough and you need to adjust the size of other things and apps and other things that might not be covered by the text size option. We're going to go to System on the left hand side and Settings, and go over to Display, and we're going to scroll down to the Scale and Layout section, and we can either hit 125, which obviously you can see made it significantly bigger, or even 150, which should be enough for just about anybody. And I'm going to leave it at 100 because that's what I am most comfortable, but that's it. Now just take a moment after you adjust this to look at your desktop and your files and your folders to make sure it's exactly what you want. If it isn't what you want, feel free to just put it back to the way it was, and everything should be fine. And that's it. Adjusting your text size is quick and easy and can make a big difference in your overall comfort while using your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Windows Wednesday tips. Have any questions or suggestions for future topics? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.